Hello everyone, Amit Sir's Group Tuitions welcome you all for online learning session. Standards 5th, subject English Balbharati, Unit 1, first poem, the topic What a Bird Thought. Dear children, today I am going to teach you all this poem in Hindi as well as in English too. Okay, first I'll read the poem What a Bird Thought. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said, the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. At last, I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. And now, how the world is really made, I cannot tell. Can you? So, children, there is no poet here, no name of the poem here. So, we'll start with the first stanza. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. Children, the bird says it is describing its 4 stages of life. First stage. This is the first stage of a little bird. It lives in a little house and lived there very well. Small little house means, children, an egg. The first bird lives in an egg, right? And they lived very well. No any obstructions, nothing. So the bird felt inside the egg, the world to me was small and round. It seems that the world is small and round and it is made up of pale blue shell. The world is of a blue color. The bird thought like that. This is the first stanza. In Hindi also. मैं पहले एक छोटे से घर में रहता था और वहाँ बहुत अच्छी तरह से रहते थे. मेरे लिए दुनिया छोटी और गोल थी, जो गोल और हल्के रंग के कवच से बनी थी. Children, bird seems that its world was round and in a shell, a blue color shell. That's a bird thought. It seems like that for him. Then, second stage. I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. So children, this is the second stage when the bird has come out of the egg and it seems that its world is made up of straw. It feels that the world is made of this straw and covered by his mother. Okay children, यह मैं एक छोटे से घोंसले में रहता था और न ही किसी अन्य की ज़रूरत थी. And he was not bothered others to help him or to feed him, nothing. Why? Because his whole and soul was his mother. Okay children, मुझे लगा कि दुनिया भूसे से बनी है, like it's made up of straw and covered by my mother, और मेरी माँ ने सुरक्षित बनाई है. So children, always remember, this is the very young age for us also. We feel that without our parents nobody is there, no need of others, right? Same way bird also felt that without this straw kind of a house and its mother, nobody, no need to be with any other people, like how we take a support of this one, that one. So no need, it was very much protected uh, in the feathers of his its mother. Okay, next, one day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said, the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. One day, that bird, now this is the third stage, and bird got wings now. Slowly, that feather comes, and then they start fluttering, flying. They try to fly from the nest, and it saw that it can fly also, and it saw the whole thing is surrounded, the whole world is surrounded with leaves. The world is made of leaves. It feels like that. I have been very blind. He's saying, I misunderstood. I thought that only my world is made up of straw. But no, it seems like the whole greenery, it is made up of leaves. The whole world is made up of leaves. I have been very blind. So it feels like बर्ड को लगता है कि एक दिन, I'll translate this. एक दिन मैं घोंसले से निकला. One day I fluttered from the nest. I flew from the nest. यह देखने के लिए मुझे क्या मिल सकता है. To see what I could find. मैंने कहा कि दुनिया पत्तियों से बनी है, लेकिन यह मेरी गलतफहमी थी. So when बाहर निकला कि मुझे कुछ मिले, देखा तो क्या, पूरी दुनिया, द होल वर्ल्ड इज ऑफ लीव्स. लेकिन ये मेरी गलत फहमी थी. मीन्स आई हैव बीन वेरी ब्लाइंड मीन्स आई मिसअंडरस्टूड दैट वर्ल्ड इज मेड अप ऑफ स्ट्रॉ. इट्स नॉट मेड अप ऑफ स्ट्रॉ, इट इज मेड अप ऑफ लीव्स. ओके, देन fourth stage of the bird. At last I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now, how the world is really made, I cannot tell. Can you? Is asking. Bird is asking us. Now see, at last it started flying. Obviously, a small bird, they get feathers and then they try to jump, and then they fly beyond the tree. They try to fly from that nest, and this bird saw that the sky is so blue. And now how the world is really made, I cannot tell. Because first, in the second stage it saw straw, then third stage it saw leaves, and now such a big sky, and it's a blue sky. So he is wondering how the world is really made. I cannot tell. Can you? It is asking us. Okay, कम से कम मैंने पेड़ से परे उड़ान भरी. मीन्स एट लास्ट आई फ्लू बियॉन्ड द ट्री. कम से कम मैंने पेड़ से परे उड़ान भरी. एंड सॉ द स्काई सो ब्लू. और आकाश का इतना नीला देखा. नीला. अब दुनिया वास्तव में कैसे बनी, मैं नहीं बता सकता. क्या आप बता सकते हैं? सो हाउ द वर्ल्ड इज रियली मेड, आई एम ऑल्सो कन्फ्यूज. सो बर्ड इज आस्किंग अस, आई कैनॉट टेल. कैन यू? इट इज आस्किंग अस हाउ द वर्ल्ड इज मेड अप ऑफ. Okay, children, this is the imaginary poem written by an unknown poet, but he is just imagining how the bird must be feeling, what is the bird thought, what a bird thought is, and he has shown in the poem in a very good way. Okay, children, so in this poem I'll give you a short summary. In this poem, The bird is narrating to us that its experience, right? The bird's experience, that how it saw the world at different stages. What it was in the egg, his world was small and round. When the egg hatched, the bird found itself in a world of straw, which was its nest. And when the bird flew from its nest, it could see leaves everywhere. Slowly it flew higher and higher, went beyond the tree towards the blue sky. So, children, this is the small poem with, with the describing four stages of bird and what was its thought in every stage. Understood, children? I hope you must have understood well. Let me repeat it again. What a bird thought. Let me recite for you. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said, the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. And last, I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now, how the world is really made, I cannot tell. Can you, children? Such a nice poet has made. There are rhyming words also. Well, shall, other, mother, find, blind. Okay, children. So here I'm finished with the poem here. Any doubts, ask in the comment box. Okay, children. Thank you.